Hello, welcome back to Pray, Plan, and Repeat. I am Shaneill. Thank you so much for coming by. So yes, we are on to our second cash envelope stuffing for the month of September. So if you are interested to see what I'll be stuffing, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna empty my wallet, then I'm going to empty whatever may be left in my envelopes right here that I can't empty out. Then we're gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, we got some change down here. Okay, so this is my little change jar, you guys. I empty out my wallet for the majority of all of my change. I do keep like 2 quarters, 2 dimes, a nickel, and at least 4 pennies in my wallet at all times. So the rest will be going into this jar. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, now, so you guys are like, Shaneill, what's going on here? What's going on? What's up with all this money, kid? I'm gonna go ahead and explain to y'all what's going on right here, okay? So for groceries, I had $3 left for groceries, okay? And then I had $1 left, okay? $1, just $1 left from family. So that's what this is. And this here was left from my personal money that I did not use completely up. So that left me $12, as you guys can see. So that is where this money comes from. This is the leftover money. And let's see, I don't believe there is anything left in these. Yeah, no. So I thought I had pulled out enough gas money for a hubby last pay period, but I didn't. We're just gonna skip those two. We're gonna skip that one. And then my buffer, yeah, we had to go in the buffer because we were short gas money. So besides that, I have no extra money left over here. But if you guys remember, I am doing the $5 challenge. So as you can see from the leftover money that is in existence right now, I had $12 left over. But because I have 2 5s left, those 5s are going into the $5 challenge. So we're just going to slip that right in there, okay? So my $5 challenge, I'm doing it a little differently. If you did not see my last video, which I'll go and link it, I think it's up here in the cards. I'm going to empty my wallet and whatever envelopes are left over. And if there's any $5 bills, those are gonna go into my $5 challenge every time I film, or basically every time I get paid. There we go. So now we got to pull these out. So these don't actually get pulled out, but I am going to keep this to the side. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and I already started writing down how much I am planning on putting into my cash envelopes. As you can see, my buffer doesn't have anything right now. Doesn't have nothing. Doesn't have nothing because I haven't wrote it down yet. But this is what I'm going to be going by. So I do have my cash right here. Hubby picked it up for me. I do need to figure out how many of each bill I need to get, so it'll be a lot easier, because as of right now, I do not know what bills are in here. I just know how much it is. So we all about to find out at the same time. We about to find out right now together what bills he got me. So I do know that $10 is gone. The only reason why I know that is because he got donuts yesterday and he didn't want to swipe his card, so he went ahead and pulled money out of this. So I know $10 is gone. That's for sure. I do know. Okay, let me go ahead and open this now. So here we go. Looks like we got quite a bit of 20s here. So we're just going to, I'm gonna fix this real quick, y'all. So we're gonna move this to the side. So as you guys can see, this is what I'm working with right here. Okay, so I got 5s and 10s and a whole lot of 20s. So that is what I'm working with. This is what I got here. First of all, we're gonna start off with these 3 cash envelopes right here. So I have one for each of the boys. And as you can see, it's part of my cash envelope process here, which are these 3 down here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. Each one of them gets $5. So come on, we're gonna start off with this one, and we're gonna slip, ooh, don't move, $5 into that one. Then we got on number 2, we're gonna slip $5 into this one. All right, and then for number 3, we're gonna add this 5 into here as well. Okay, there's my buffer, but we're not putting anything into buffer right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start breaking these down. I'm gonna start off with groceries. So this time around, I did not go grocery shopping yet, y'all. Haven't went yet. Lucky me. We're gonna go ahead and put 150. Let me show this to you guys one more time. So we're gonna put 150, and this time I went up on the gasoline. We did 200 last month. I mean last paycheck. So this paycheck we're gonna add an extra $40, and that should, you know, keep us from going into the buffer if we need to. But yeah, we're gonna add an extra 40 bucks to it, and everything else is the same. So we're gonna start off with groceries. So groceries is 150. So let me, you know, count this out for you guys. I got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. So there is my 150 for groceries, which we're gonna slide this. Woohoo, come on, all of you have to go in here now. So don't ask me how I do it or how I manage to do it. I never know how exactly I do it, but I always end up spending $150 every 2 weeks for 5 people. Now we're gonna start off with hubby's personal money, which is $40. So he has $40 cash on him for the next 2 weeks. Now if it's like something that he wants and it happens to be online, we do keep a certain amount of money in our account just in case if we wanted to make an online purchase. But if it's like, you know, fast food or something like that, it's us by ourselves, we use our personal money in here for that. Now we got hubby's gasoline. Because of last time, we gonna go ahead and put $200 in here. Because last time, girl. No, we're gonna do 150. The reason being is because I'm pretty sure he's gonna use his card today on the way home to put gas in the car. So we're gonna do 150. Because like I said, he just got paid, he pulled this out, and he didn't put gas in yesterday. So we're gonna pull this one here. So we got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50. Now for mine's, little old me right here, I actually need to fill up my gas tank this time. Last month I did $30. So I'm actually gonna fill up my gas tank this time, and it should not be over 50 bucks. In all honesty. So I have 20, 40, and 50. Normally I just put 30 bucks in my gas tank for 2 weeks. But I have a feeling like I will be driving a little further out this time. So I'm going to put $50 in my envelope for my gas for the next 2 weeks. And if I don't use it, well, you know, we're just gonna leave it in the envelope. So there's my gas. Now for my personal spending money, I'm gonna add my $40 into, oof, why are you falling all over the place? We're gonna add it right in here. Now, just to let you guys know, last month, hubby pulled out $500 last month. This month, I asked him to pull out a little extra because of the whole gas situation and the fact that we're actually going to the fair next Saturday, which is in about 5 days from the time you guys are seeing this. Okay, maybe 6 days. So I want to make sure I have a little extra cash on hand for that. So then we have our family, I say family date night, but that's what this one is. So we're gonna go ahead and do the $40 again for that. And I'm actually gonna put that right in here. So we have the $40 again for that. You know what? I gotta change hubby's out because last time he said he wanted a little bit of smaller bills. So let's see. I put 110 in there. Let's see if I can break this down again. So we're gonna give him, there we go, 2 5s and this 10 right here. And that will work out for him. Just, you know, I'm gonna take these. I know y'all confused, but I'm not confused, okay? So I put that 20 there. I'm putting half of that 20 back, so that's the 10. And then I'm going mine because it's a lot easier for me if I just use 5s. So where's that 10? I'm gonna pull this 10 out of mine, put it into Hub's so he can have 3 10s. And then I'm gonna take these 2 5s and put that in here to replace my 10. There we go. So I still got my 50 and he has his 150 because like I said, I was going to put $200 into his, but I'm pretty sure he's putting gas in his car on the way home because I drove his car yesterday and he needed gas. So I'm pretty sure he's going to put gas in it. Otherwise, he won't get home. So we're going to move on to this money that was left over. So I have my $2 that was left over from last time. And I have this dollar here that was left over from family. And I think this was groceries. Well, we're just gonna put that in the little buffer thing. And, you know, if the boys do something extra during the week, then I'll give them an extra $1 and in their cash envelope. So that's what that's for is. So as you can see, we're gonna see how much money we got left over here. We got 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95. So as you can see, we have an extra $95 left over. I put that extra money into hubby's gas. I think we should be fine. I'm actually going to use this extra money for the fair. So this here is $95. I'm going to go ahead and make it an even 100, and I'm just going to use these ones here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to use that. That will be for the fair. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to bring me $100. That is what we're going to use. I should not go over that. Keyword, I shouldn't. And this extra $1, I'm just going to go ahead and put it into buffer. Even though it is not going to help us, not one little bit, we just going to stick it right in there. Okay? That's where we're going to stick it. And because I know we're going to the fair, I'm just going to go ahead and slip this money into here because I know what it's for. I just got to remember to grab it. Otherwise, I'm going to end up swiping my card. And who knows how much I'm going to spend at the fair with my card. Okay? Who knows? All right. So, I just got to remind myself to grab this. So, that is the end of my envelope stuffing, you guys. I'm closing this up like I don't got to put these in here. What, girl? What is wrong with me? So yeah, like I was saying, that is the end of my envelope stuffing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing. I am trying to do my best to maintain and at least upload once a week. But last week I didn't upload nothing. That is my bad. You know, life happens. Found out kids get suspended. You know, there's a whole lot of stuff that happens in life. You just gotta roll with the punches. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching. And always remember to pray and slay. I shouldn't say pray and slay because this ain't makeup, but that's okay because I like it. So we're gonna pray and slay or plan and slay? Plan and slay? Okay, I'll try plan and slay this time around, okay? We're gonna do try, plan, and slay. Yes. All right. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and consider subscribing. Once again, we are pretty cool over here on this side of the channel. Yes, yes, we are. And I hope you guys, are very interested in our debt pay down journey, which will be coming out very soon. And that is quite a long journey we about to go on. All right. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And always remember to plan and slay. I got it. Plan and slay. Okay. Bye.